What's up everyone? This video is going to be all about that LED lighting craze that is going on and has been going on for quite a while now. I'm talking about these people that go out and buy LED lighting strips and stick them anywhere they can possibly fit them. Under their couches, behind their TVs, under their kitchen cabinets, on their monitors, behind their freaking toilets, for God's sakes. They're putting these things everywhere. And there are a massive amount of these products available on the market today, even from big brand name manufacturers like Philips Lighting with their Hue series smart bulbs and accent lights. What got me interested in the topic and my inspiration for making this video was, I was curious, do you have to go out and buy one of those brand name kits and drop all kinds of cash on it in order to get a decent product? Or can you simply search the deepest, darkest depths of Amazon.com for a much cheaper alternative? Well, it just so happens that that is exactly what I have done. Late one night when I was searching Amazon, I came across this. This is the ALED lighting kit made by, well, I'm assuming ALED because that's all it says on the box other than made in China across the bottom. I first purchased one of these LED lighting kits just over 6 months ago, and I've been using it pretty much every day ever since. The reason that I did that is that I knew I wanted to make this video and I wanted to be able to comment on whether or not this thing is going to last long term. After all, what's the point of having a cheaper alternative LED product if it's not going to last long enough for you to get any practical usage out of it? Having said all that, I can confidently tell you that this product has impressed me. At about $15 US at the time of purchase, which I'm noticing now is down to about $12, you really can't go wrong here. This thing has worked every day for about 6 months and hasn't shown any signs that it's ready to give up. That, I would say, is pretty impressive. Next up, we're going to take this box over to the table and do an unboxing on it, but a word of warning, it's going to be a half-assed unboxing because I'm not the biggest fan of unboxing videos, to be honest. And then I'm going to show you a brief install with the product, followed by some epic footage of all the lights working on my workstation. Check it out. Here's the box. Let's peel that, open that, pop the top. Not going to read that, don't need that. This is your infrared sensor to turn the lights on and off. It says 24 key infrared controller. So we'll put that aside because that's probably important. This is your AC power adapter, the remote control you're going to use to control the lights, and finally the lights themselves, which come in this fancy anti-static packaging. Opening up the fancy Ziploc packaging, your lights come on a spool. They have these little connectors on them. Yeah, they're just your basic LED lighting strips. They do have some adhesive backing that I'm not actually going to use. You will see that in my installation shortly because this sucks. I originally used it when I first purchased these, and then they started to fall off the desk because it is like the worst adhesive ever. The solution is these things right here. I bought these little plastic hooks and they come with their own little pieces of adhesive tape. These last much longer. It makes the installation take maybe a little bit longer, but it's definitely worth it because they're not going to peel off and look like crap as soon as you install them. All right, come on now, you gotta admit, these LED lights really add a nice touch to your workstation. This has been the ALED lighting kit that I happened to find on Amazon.com and decided to use for 6 months and make a video about. I think it's worth your money. It's like $12, $15 when it's not on sale. It lasts at least 6 months, I can tell you that much, and it looks awesome. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.